So yeah, we will discuss arithmetic means. Ito yung kasunod ng arithmetic sequence topic natin. So, alam mo na si arithmetic means. Okay, let's start. So, when we say arithmetic means, okay, we need to determine the in-between of two variable, the first term and the last term. So, if we are given like this sample. Okay, so paano natin sasagutin yan? So, we know that this is the first term that we are talking about. And this is the last term. This is the first position. And this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position. Okay. So, hindi natin malalaman if ano ilalagay dito if hindi natin alam yung common difference until makapunta dito. Okay. So, we need to find the common difference para mahatid yung 7 to the 32 in the 6th position. So, pang gagawin natin dyan, hindi natin pwedeng hulaan lang kasi may rapat tayo. So, may formula para dyan, which is C. Obviously, last term is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times our common difference. Now, our last term is given, which is 32. First term, C7 plus n is also given. That corresponds to our last term, which is 32. And 32 sits on the 6th position. So, our n is 6. Minus 1. Now, our we need to find D. So bring down common difference. So let's solve this one first. 32 is equal to 7 plus 5D. Now, we need to isolate the D. Okay? So we need to interchange ba yun? Basta ilipat natin si 7 to the left side of the equation. So this would become 32 minus 7 is equal to 5D. Now, 32 minus 7 is 25 is equal to 5D. And in order to isolate 25, in order to isolate D from 5D, we need to divide it by 5. So divide 5 here, also here. Okay, so cancel. Now we will have 25 over 5, which is 5, is equal to the common denominator. So our common denominator is 5. Now let's try and add if we can get the answer of 32. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 plus 5, that is 17. 17 plus 5, that is 22. 22 plus 5, that is 27. And 27 plus 5 is indeed 32. So now that we got the last term na, and we identified that the common difference is correct, we can mark it na. So that's the overview ng arithmetic means. So let's try another problem. So what if you're gonna take that off? Insert 5 between So, paano pag ganun? Sabi dito, mag-insert daw tayo ng 5 arithmetic means, which is ito, between 1/3 and 7/3. Okay, so anong gagawin natin first? So, let's write this kind of pattern. I mean, this format para di tayo malito. So, between 1/3 and 7/3. So, mauna si 1/3. And before tayo makarating kay 7/3, need natin na isulat muna si 5 arithmetic means. So, maglalagay tayo 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, the 7/3. Now that, we have this format na, we can easily say na this is the first term. And since this is the first term, 7/3 is the what? So, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh term. So, we have 1/3 on the first term and 7/3 on the last term. So, let's write the formula again. So, last term is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the common denominator. So, an, which is the last term, 7/3, is equal to the first term, which is 1/3 or 1/3, plus the value of n minus 1, which is n corresponds to the last term, which is this 7th position. So, 7 minus 1 times the unknown factor of common denominator difference. So, let's solve for 7 minus 1. That's just 6. Then d. Okay. So, what do we do next? We will lipat 1/3 sa left side ng equation. So, 7/3 positive, nilipat sa kabila, magiging minus 1/3 is equal to 6/d. So, same denominator. Okay? Same denominator, which is 3. So, copy. Then, 7 minus 1, that is 6, is equal to 6d. Now, 6/3 can be write as a whole number, and that value is 2. So, we will write 2. Since 6/3 is just 2, we will divide 3 by 6, and we will get 2. So, yan yung paano natin na-derive si 2. So, equal to, again, 6d. Now, divide both sides by 6 in order to isolate d. So, cancel. So, our common denominator is 2/6. But, we need to, simplify it into the lowest term. So, what is that lowest term? So, 2/6. What is their common denominator? I mean, greatest common factor. So, let's do a factor term. So, for 2 and for 6. Okay, ganyan. So, 2 have 2 factor, which is 2, 1. 6 also 2 factor, which is 2, 3. And their greatest common factor is what? 2. So, meaning, we will divide both sides by 2. And we will get what value? That is 1/3. So, our common denominator, they call this, our d, okay, is 1/3. So, let's try and apply it to this pattern. So, 1/3 plus 1/3 Again, same denominator, so add 1 and 1. So we will have 2 there. 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3/3 or 1. So what's the next? Now this is 1, but as we said, this is 3/3. Okay, so 3/3 plus 1/3, that is 4/3, and 4/3 plus 1/3, 5/3, same as this, but 6/3 is 2, diba? Ganito. So we will write it as 2 or 6/6. That's just the same. Now 6/3 plus 1/3, that is indeed 7/3. So that's how we do it if the given given values are fraction. So we just need to know the basic addition and subtraction of fraction.